Hello guys, so for the series Unconventional objects I didn't know I could use for my making, I am using this platform of Lego of my son. So I have here some mixed media projects that I have started and I want to continue working on them and create more layers. So I thought on this piece to do so. So I have here acrylic paint, and at the beginning I'm just spreading the paint and seeing if I can get a good mark, and not too much, as you can see. So when that happens to you and you are working with acrylics, the best you can do is just put some water, because it makes that the paint runs a little better on the surface. And you can see now that we will get much better impression. Here we go. So this is a series of different videos where I am trying different materials that you can find at home, and you can find it in the list of reproduction that you can find on the channel. And as you can see here, I am trying it again with water. And yes, I like a lot the mark. And here I am taking a look at the back of the paper, because sometimes that happens. This is the case that I like most the other part of the paper. And also very important to clean as much as you can. And now I wanted to do some tags, so I am just choosing the parts of the paper that I like. And that's it for this week. I hope you like it and you try it. You can subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and follow me in my social media. And see you next time, guys. Bye.